Hello friends, I'm Toastmaster Kirtana from Program Quality Team of EFGHN. This time, PQ team has planned to bring learnings to your fingertips through the Secrets Unveiled initiative. Here, experts will be sharing you pro tips on different aspects like communication, content writing, leadership, grammar, vocabulary, and many more. So let's get started with the first episode of this initiative by Toastmaster Rahil. Rahil had won multiple debating competitions at the university level. He is also past member of HCD Debating Club, Delhi. He won second position at Euphoria Debating Competitions, Hyderabad 2018. Now, Rahil is ready to throw light on the important corners of debating. Do watch this video and enjoy.
Hello everyone, my name is Toastmaster Rahil and I have been an enthusiast in debating for a very long time. And today obviously I am here to talk about what is debating, but most importantly I want to talk about what can debating teach you and what can it not teach you, because this is really important. You cannot just step into an idea of learning something new and think that you will learn everything that it can give you. So let us first see what actually is debating. Debating is more of a discussion that goes on between two people or two teams on a single subject but with contrasting ideas. So when I say contrasting ideas, it means that two groups or two individuals are talking about the same subject but have completely different point of views or opposite point of views. And the motive of the debate is to come up with an answer that is right for now, that is right for the discussion that went on at that moment, and it need not be the ultimate answer to the subject or the ultimate point of view for that particular subject. That being said, let us try to see what can debating teach you and what can it not teach you. And the most important thing is, let us first understand that what it cannot teach you. So let us first of all understand that there is a difference between argument and quarreling, and debating does not teach you how to quarrel. When I say that there is a difference between arguing and quarreling, I mean that when you quarrel, you are just trying to go back and forth with answers and questions. When someone says something, you get back at them, but there is no reason to what you're saying. But when you are arguing with someone, you learn to give a reason and not just say something or not just throw words at them. So the first thing that debating does not teach you is it does not teach you how to quarrel. The second thing that it does not teach you is writing as a parallel activity. You see, debating is more of a quick understanding and quick speaking form of discussion, and you don't have enough time to write down your ideas, jot them down, organize them, and then speak up. So debating will not help you in understanding how to write down ideas and organize them. It is something that you have to do spontaneously. That being said, the last thing that debating cannot teach you is how to always be right. It is just impossible or simply superficial to think that someone can always be right. You can go ahead with a subject that you're really strong at, you have a really strong grip at, and still fail at it while arguing or debating. So do not think that debating can teach you how to be right every single time. That being said, now we know what debating cannot teach us, and now let us try to understand what debating actually teaches us. The first thing is, it teaches you a very confident form of communication. That is, you might be in a completely strange group of people and you'll still be able to stand up and tell that this is what you feel right, and maybe the point of view that you are putting forward is not the best one. So that is first thing that debating teaches you, and that is confident in any group or any set of individuals, and you might come out victorious because it teaches you how to be confident while portraying it out. The second one is how to actually be critical. When you're debating, you're not just thinking about how to put forward a point, but you're trying to prove it against a contrasting idea. And that's why debating helps you to understand how you can put forward a point very critically and dodging any disadvantages that it might have. It makes you more critical when it comes to thinking or putting forward an idea. And the last one would be, according to me, that no matter how good you are at a certain subject, there is always a scope of improvement, And this is one thing that debating has taught me and will definitely teach you as well. I say this because when you put forward an idea and you listen to another person or group giving a completely opposite point of view, if they give 10 points, you will go, you will go ahead and think that all right, those 2 points out of 10 were surely right and you cannot tackle them. And it teaches you that everything has two sides of the same coin, and there is some truth in both of them and something that is not true in both of them. But at the end of the day, a proper debate will always teach you how to come out with an idea or with an argument which is better for that particular time. It might not be the ultimate answer to something, but it definitely helps you get a better point of view at it. That being said, I would like to conclude by saying that don't take debating as a momentarily thing that you can learn over day. It is not just an event. Debating is something that you will learn with practice, and I have done it and I truly see the benefits of the same. After all, there is no bad day to grab a cup of coffee, sit on your balcony and argue with your friend about something which does not just increase your knowledge but also helps you get a better point of view at it. So it will help you in accepting more ideas, it will help you in accepting others' opinion, and that's it. I think you should also start debating, and I'm sure that you are gonna love this form of discussion also.
What debating will teach us, what it won't teach us. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please provide your feedback for our initiative in the comment section below. We will catch you soon in the next episode. Until then, stay tuned to us.